Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Good morning, people. Today is ni Aryan, therapy. Hindi pala, assessment pa lang. Kasi enroll namin siya sa bagong play school, yung malapit lang sa amin. Kasi, di ba medyo malayo na kami guys sa city. So, ingay ni Bernadette. Ingay ni Bernadette Zambrano. Where is that? Hi! You're ready? Where are you? Ang gwapo ni Aryan, guys. Yan na. Gwapo siya. Wait lang ako siya, mga muni nga. Hi! Where are you? Don't die! He's running away, guys. First, drink medicine. Drink medicine. Where you go? Yummy! Aryan is going to therapy. Andito lang yan sa amin, guys. Malapit lang. Mga 2 minutes drive lang siya. Or 3 minutes pala. 3 minutes drive. OA ko naman 2 minutes. Sana naglakad na lang kami, di ba? 2 minutes. Boom! Daddy, daddy, daddy! No, you have to make boil it out here. Order. Anyway, you're the driver. I don't know.
Oh, you realize that I'm a driver.
Galing ng driver, oh.
Huh?
Driver is
Truck
so good.
driver.
Oh.
Oh. Jump.
Kakasabi ko lang, I just said that the driver is so good, but boom. So let's go. We have a new car.
Sure. By the way, I have a new.
A few moments later.
Wait lang kami kasi ina-assess pa si Aryan. Yeah, gani. Pina-vlog ko siya eh. Aryan! Enjoy ikaw? You like it here? Let's go, guys. Let's go home. Finished. Finish. Good job. See? Let's go home now. You go back on Thursday, huh? Go back ikaw Thursday, baby. Tuesday? Master. Shh. Let's go home na. Ayaw mo na umuwi? O, dyan ka na lang. Tignan nyo guys kung paano kung papasama sa akin si Aryan. Aryan, bye-bye! Mommy, bye-bye! Dyan siya tataya. See? See? Good buot niya. When I say bye-bye, dala pa lang na siya nakatindog. Ma, go back na lang ikaw. Mas-start na siya sa Tuesday, no? Pwede na siya kasi. See you. Wala ka na subong iba niya. Student pa?
Meron lang siya ako.
Okay. Thank you. Let's go. Do you like? You go back again here, huh? We're home, guys. Ayan sila. Tamang-tama lunchtime ni Arya. Kailangan ko na naman umalis para i-drop na naman ang lunch ni Arya. Ayan. So, yung assessment ni Arya, ayan, kailangan pa siya sa sensory behavioral. So, every Tuesday and Thursday, yung schedule niya. 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. Good job. Hungry na ikaw? Dali na. So guys, tignan nyo ha. Change outfit lang ang lola nyo. Kasi, nakadress ako guys. Mahangin, nililipad yung dress ko. Hindi ako makakilos ng maayos. Pagbaba ng sasakyan, tsaka pag-akyat, paglakad, nililipad. Ang nipis pa naman ng dress. Magaan kasi yung dress, so kailangan ko siyang mag-change. So, nag-change na lang ako ng t-shirt, ng blouse, tsaka ng ng pedal. Now, need natin maghatid kasi ng lunch kay Arya. So, ayan. Ang lunch ni Arya actually is 11. Right now is 10:45. Malilate ako ng mga 15 minutes. Okay lang. Kasi until 12:30 naman yung lunch break nila. So, may 1 hour pa si Arya para mag-lunch. So, let's go.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head.
Guys, here na tayo sa ating prinsesa. Tinakpan ko na kasi nasa initan ako, babe. Part ko. Ang cute nito guys, oh. Nabili ko lang yan siya sa Shopee. Para siyang payong, pero para talaga siyang pang talaga siya ng init. Matagal na to eh. Sobrang tagal na sa akin na nag-aano na siya. Ang galing oh. Talagang natutupi ko siya na parang payong. Tapos, pag inopen mo siya, nagpa-flatten siya na rectangle. Ganun. So, very useful siya. Madaling itupi. So, let's go na kay ate. Your water.
I mean
Lunchtime.
lunch.
Hadi, water. Where have you been? I can hear you're not here. Where have you been?
I was in the multi meeting.
Ah, okay.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
We finished lunch. Sabi ko we finished lunch. So, what would you like to buy? Show them.
What?
Water. Would you like to buy some bottled water?
I can speak in British accent just a little bit. For example, bottle or water.
It doesn't sound right. Bottle water. Sabi niya sa akin, bakit daw yung mga British, wala daw letter T. Bottle water. Bottle of water.
Or bottle or water.
Hi guys, 1 eternity later. 1 eternity. 1 eternity later mga bi. Ay naku, ano ba? Bakit traffic? So, titignan ako na nasa front na ano. Kasi nagka-camera ako. Oh, Arya, there's a police. You can see. Arya, say hi. Ha? Is Aryan okay? Yeah, he's okay. Ang dami ko kasi inasikaso. Guys, kanina ako nakapag-vlog. So, nauna lang uli. After ko ng lunch kay Arya, binigay yung lunch ni Arya. Ang dami kong asikaso. Ano ba yung matandami nag-U-turn? Oh my gosh. I make here so it will not be traffic. Yeah, here it's not traffic. That's why I came to this one because it's not traffic. Ay nako guys. Anyway, wait lang ha, traffic pa. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung traffic sa Iloilo. Akala nyo sa Manila lang may traffic. Traffic talaga. Big, grabe dito.
One eternity later.
Finally, mga besh, we're home. Oh my gosh, ang sakit sa likod. Ang sakit sa ano dito sa leeg. Yan, come. Yeah. You didn't see because he's fat. Guys, we're home. Pumipiyok ako palagi pa nagsasabi ako ng we're home. Ha? What is that? You will not eat that one. Aryan, say hi. 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 Kiss mama. Mama. Alam. Kaya tambay-tambay mo kami sa bahay, babe. Kasi napagod ako. Alam niyo ba, minsan lang ako makaupo dito sa sala. Nandad ako ng movie. Guys, we will sleep na. Sleep na ikaw. Night-night, daddy. Night-night, daddy. Arya, night-night, daddy. Oh. Here, daddy.
Oh.
Oh, where's Ate Arya? Where's night, Ate?
He's so sweet. Wait.
Guys, finally end ko na tong vlog. Ano ba today? So ayan, nakabalik na po si Aryan sa kanyang therapy. We're so happy. Ilang buwan din po siya nag-stop actually. Sana hindi ako makapiright. Nakabalik na siya kasi sobrang tagal niyang nag-stop. Siguro mga almost 6 months din. Or hindi naman mga 6 months. Mga 4 months siguro na nag-stop si Aryan ng therapy. Kasi nga sobrang daming ganap. Di ba naghanap kami ng bahay. Tapos nakalipat kami, paglipat namin, hindi naman namin kaagad na medyo malayo na yung dati niyang therapy center. So, kailangan namin maghanap ng bago. So, now, may nakita kami na malapit lang talaga dito, 2 to 3 minutes lang away. That's why we're so happy. Kasi ito guys, one-on-one to na therapy session sa kanya. Behavioral tsaka speech therapy to. Kaya, ayan, sobrang excited. Kasi 2 times a week to. Naghahanap rin ako ng speech pathologist para kay Aryan. Sobrang hirap maghanap, guys. Hindi po madaling mahanap ang speech pathologist. Lalo na sa Iloilo few lang. And lahat po ng schedule nila is full. So, sa may mga nakakakilala or nakakaalam or may mga speech pathologist na nanonood ngayon, just DM me. And, ayan. Kasi need talaga ni Aryan, guys, ng speech pathologist kasi 4 years old na siya. And we're trying our best, pero I think professionals will, makakatulong pa rin sa kanya yung professionals, diba? So, ayan. Anyway, yun lang, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless everyone. Stay positive all the time, and we will see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Just loving